Doug, are you feeling refreshed today?
I've had no bloody sleep, I've just told you that.
Yeah, well, but I wasn't videoing you when you told me that, so...
Okay, well I've had no sleep, viewers.
There you go.
Right, now what I'm doing now is I'm setting out, I was originally commissioned just to make a knack, which I've made, and it's, I've sprayed.
Do you want to say what it was for?
Yeah, for a customer.
No, I mean the model that it was for.
Oh yeah, it was going on a Sterling base, or Music Man Sterling or something. Yeah. But we knew, because it's right, I've had to make it 24 frets.
Yeah.
That's a customer requirement, and big dots.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look, big dots, viewers.
Inch diameter.
It's like one of them phones for old people.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's for Wayne.
Wayne.
So he's got big dots and just two at the side, which is very sensible really. 24 frets. And the small frets, if you look, they're smaller than normal frets.
I suppose for bass, doesn't mean, because you're not bending.
2 mil. He doesn't like high frets, he doesn't like much feeling of frets.
No, with bass you're not bending or anything, are you? So,
no. So it's what he fancies.
He's got no inlays as well, has he?
Nothing. No, nothing. Which I quite like. I don't have them on my guitars either. I don't have dots. Yeah. I have side dots. You only look at the side when you're playing.
I don't know.
You look down and there's your dots.
Yeah.
Now then.
That's one hefty pickup, Doug.
It is, isn't it? It's a big old rascal.
What is it?
It's a Bartolini.
You know, they should call it the big old rascal.
Yeah.
But oh yeah, that's probably about 200 quid, isn't it? Probably.
Probably. There's two of these going on.
Good lord.
So there's not a lot of space here, so we've got another one going there. So I might have to move this.
It's that big.
Normally you'd put these, this one at 31.5 from the nut.
31.5 inches.
31.5 inches, yeah, from the nut. That's which is that mark.
The
centre of the pickup.
Oh, for the fucking bridge.
Oh, that's right. I thought there was no swearing.
Yeah, but I can't remember anything. I'm getting old. Bloody memory's gone. For the bridge pickup. Okay, I didn't realise that.
So that's the pickup. Now he's having another one. He's going to have it close to.
Yeah.
With a slight gap. He wants a slight gap.
It's going to go through the back of the guitar, that is. It's so big. It's going to fall out the back.
It is rather large, isn't it?
Yes. You'll have to knock up another body, but add another inch depth to the body.
He bought a new bridge, which is much wider than this one. It was bloody massive.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, yeah.
Once I caught a fish alive, Doug.
Anyway, we've done a swap for this one of mine.
Yeah.
For that one of his, because it was too wide. It was about out to there, and it made the string spacing too wide for this neck.
Oh, so the actual.
This neck was made for, like I said, another bass.
So the saddle itself, the saddles were too wide apart.
Oh yeah, they were too wide. They were 17 mil.
So what's the?
These are 15.
What's the width of that on bass? Because on guitar you get like 50, 52 mil sort of.
Yeah, the saddle spacing is what you're working it on.
No, I mean, but what is the width from there to there? You know, like that. On a bass.
This is fine. This is perfect for this bass.
I'm sure it is. I'm just wondering if there's a standard width, like 2 or 3 standard widths for basses. You know.
That is 65.
Okay, yeah. Well, there you go then.
That to that. Okay, 65.
Jolly good. So you got one of them. What kind of? Is he going to have like deluxe?
It's having Bartolini. This is all going to be a Bartolini system in this.
Are we going to see any wood?
You can see any wood, yeah, because I'm not using a scratch plate. It's all coming in from the back.
I mean, are there going to be like about 300 dials and knobs and switches?
No. It's going to have bass, middle, treble, volume, jack socket. Okay?
Jack socket there. Can't you put that on the side? Get it out of the way, like on the back or something.
I don't want to.
No, I'm saying just free some space up. You know, like have it there. You know.
Why do I want it there?
Just to free some space up.
To do what with?
Just to make it look a bit neater on the front, maybe. I'm just saying, I think if I got all that stuff going on the front of the bass, I think I'd want me jack just like jiggle, just up the back, the side.
Hang on a second.
Don't pick up a sharp instrument, because I'll call the police.
Just stay there with your rotten camera.
I'm just a love machine. Do dee do do dee do. Do 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 do. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so it's Bartlini pickups. Oh yeah. Or is it on like a board? Bloody hell. Are these separate? Are these separate, or is it one
Treble
big...
middle bass.
No, I mean, is there one big fucking board behind that? Or is it like individual?
Oh, they're
components
individual.
with wires.
Yeah, just all
Oh
wires.
yeah, okay, yeah, yeah.
Right. And they've set it out like that as well.
Oh, so it's like a template as well if you wanted to use it, yeah?
Yeah. Well, rough template, yeah.
Otherwise known as a template. Yeah.
Well, I haven't measured the distance that they've set them from.
Well, you could do that, couldn't you? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, I can do. It only arrived yesterday after I'd marked these out inch and three. Well, they're just less than inch and 3/4, and that was inch and 3/4. That one's a bit less. Oh, they're not inch and 3/4, and I've done them inch and a half.
Let's
Oh
go
no,
on,
inch and 3/4. So I've done them the same.
Oh, have you marked them out, have you already?
Yeah, I've put little dots in.
Yeah, I
drill
can't
holes.
see that, can I?
Can you not see them? Look, 1, 2, 3. And then volume, jack socket.
You know what, it's a good job I haven't got a lump hammer in my hand. It would be embedded in your forehead by now.
Well, because I'm right.
No, because you're being awkward.
I'm not being awkward, I'm just showing you what it is.
Well, if you drove past my house and I said, have you seen that bit of bird
No,
on the
don't
back of my
stop
house?
coming out with York's checks.
You'd say no.
There you go, there's his pickups again, B. That's his separation.
It's fucking
Like
kidding me.
that. Quarter of an inch.
You made me swear again just. Surely, is there going to be any difference between the sounds that you wanted up here?
No, he doesn't want that.
He doesn't
He
want
wants
that.
this space
Was he?
for his fingery, his hand to fit in.
Fair enough, yeah.
So he doesn't want it there.
I wouldn't bother with 2 pickups. What's the point? I'd just have the one.
Well, I tend to agree with you, actually.
Yeah. This is just my personal opinion.
Yeah.
I'll say I'm not being critical or anything.
I think I'll have one pickup there.
You don't need that one. The
But
other one.
yeah, you do. But he's having 2.
What's his number? I'm going to give him a call.
Well, he's bought the pickups now, so we're doing it. I've just got to make the jig now. I've got to make the jig so I can cut all these little holes and dents
I
and
don't know. Can you make it
out.
like 3/4 of an inch apart or something? Give it
No,
a bit
he
of
wants
spacing.
it a quarter of an inch apart.
Well, tell him that, like, because of the jig,
No,
the gigawatt.
he wants it a quarter of an inch apart.
You do know that the magnetic field with 3.1 gigawatts on the pickup.
Shut your face, you daft
You've got to
son.
have at least an inch dug, otherwise it'll deactivate the side chain
Have you been
flangiometer.
to see a psychiatrist?
This is a video we're doing, Doug, for fun. If you
Well, I
want,
think you should go to see a psychiatrist.
well, I'll tell you what we'll do. Next time you go to your doctors for one of your bottom problems, I'll video that and then see how much fun we have doing that. Well, actually, I'll have a lot of fun.
That just shows how sick little bunny you are, doesn't it, really?
I'm just a filmmaker, Doug. Yeah.
Filmmaker my arse.
Hey, listen, I got some compliments last night from Gina.
Why don't you say?
He said he enjoys watching the videos.
All right.
I said I don't anymore.
I've never watched them.
Yeah.
Because there's this big old man fucking swearing all the while.
Hey, you stop swearing now, it's quite odd.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what
So
to
anyway, so
Yeah.
there's everything that's going in it.
Yeah.
I'm leaving that one out because I've got to mark it all out where it's going and
You've missed something.
whatever message.
What about the knobs?
Ah, I might be making them.
Out of what? Wood?
Ah.
Well, can't you just put some that you've already got on? Make your life easier.
No, he wants it all to be woody.
Oh, does he? Okay, fair enough.
Actually, I don't know why, because he's having all this black crap on and he's filling it with black shit.
Sorry, Wayne.
Anyway, I might be making the knobs. So this is all this stuff.
Have you patented that product design, the black crap?
Black crap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Doug. I've seen one of your products. Oh, I really want that black crap finish that you do, that you're known for. Excellent.
I'm only doing a little bit to that today because I've got to get the Flying V started now and get that ready.
Started? You've almost finished it.
I finished spraying it. I've got to flat it down now and polish it up.
You've had another drink.
Yeah, I did get myself a drink.
What else you got in that
You
lovely
stood
bag?
right next to me while I was making it.
What else you got in that lovely bag? Anything exciting?
No, just bits. That's it. That's the whole strings,
Yeah.
Bartolini stuff, and that's it.
Let me ask you then. So if you made some wooden knobs, yeah,
Yeah.
how will you have, like, you put a bit of wood over like a sort of a threaded bit of metal, yeah, glue it on top of that? Would it be totally wood and like beveled over the top, like nice and smooth, or would there be a bit of metal on the top? What kind of, how would you make it?
It'd just be a whole block of wood if I make them.
But wouldn't you have to put it around like a sheath of metal?
You can actually buy them. You can actually buy. You can buy knobs.
What kind of wood is
Wooden
this?
knobs.
What kind of wood is it? The body.
Tulip wood.
Tulip wood?
Yeah.
Kidding me?
No.
I never knew there was such thing.
It's called tulip wood or poplar.
Well, poplar, I know.
Yeah.
Who calls it tulip wood, apart from like some romantic person?
Well, people do call it tulip wood because it is tulip wood. See, it's got two names. It's poplar or tulip wood.
Well, why call it? Just call it one, not two.
Because don't you think, like, flowers have all different things? Roses now, they've got a big Italian, but what's the name? Latin name, haven't they?
I think we should stick with those Latin names then. Yeah.
So.
You've got to make yourself a jig, have you?
No, I can use this one. I can rejig this jig.
Rejiggle the jig?
No, because I cut that out for a pickup.
Was that Mark's?
And it was too big. Too big, look.
I like that, yeah.
So that's the right one.
For that?
No! For the job I was doing. So now, rather than making a complete jig and having to cut it all out,
that one, yeah.
I can rejig this one.
Yeah, good idea. Plus, otherwise, if it's just a bit small, you can just get your chisel out, can't you, and do some fine chiselling.
I shall make this jig properly.
Yeah.
So that's the neck. I've done all the measurements, so this is out the job now. It's going to be moved.
I take it that is rock maple.
It is rock maple.
Yeah.
And it's lovely maple. It's also figured.
You haven't done the reverse jiggery pokery, have you? It's one piece.
A one piece, yeah.
So why have you not done the reverse push pulling?
You don't need to on these
because it's big.
No, it's a good solid piece, and it's a separate fingerboard.
Okay, get you. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
You can just see you can't see the join because you can see the difference in the woods.
Yeah. No, I know that.
Yeah.
The figuring on the back's lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And the front actually, it's very nice, isn't it? Is that getting a bit like just like?
And them are light machine heads, lightweight machine heads.
Yeah, like a sort of.
Well, look, it's balanced there, which isn't bad really when you think about it.
Yeah. Is he just going to have it like a nice satin?
Just satin.
Is it finished?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realise. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's lovely. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. I like the.
So it's got some dirt there. I don't know where that's from.
That's from your dirty old land, isn't it? I like the. Turn it over. I like the sort of satiny.
Yeah. I say they're very lightweight. So it just needs hanging up somewhere safe.
Well, shall I take it home then? Put it in my house?
No, I don't think so. I'll hang it up in here.
Why do you hang it up here where all the other decks are?
Well, because it might get twacked, mind you. Well, plenty of hanging space, really, isn't there? You can hang it there, but people will keep walking into it.
Well, this is your place here, look, Doug. How about up there, out the way? Do you want me to do it for you? No.
No, you can do that.
Yeah. Bloody hell, you trust me?
But no, I don't trust you.
Okay, now, too good to
I don't trust anybody to hang these things up.
That's not very good, is it?
No.
You can't go through your whole life not trusting anybody.
I can.
No. I'm telling you now, you can't.
I can.
Well, I disagree. I'm going to say, what's that row? It's Jane, isn't it?
I've tried, trusting people. Didn't seem to work for me. Right, there you go.
Yeah, very good, yeah. But I guarantee if anybody's not going to knock that off, it'll be you sometime next week.
Oh, no doubt.
I'll come back and you'll say, Jesus Christ, can't believe it.
I won't knock it off.
I was peeling an orange, I dropped it, it hit my foot, bounced up and knocked his neck off.
You know, there's something wrong with you. I'm sure that I'm going to book you in myself.
It's called having an imagination, something you haven't got. Well, actually, you have, haven't you? You have got an imagination, haven't you?
I have.
I just think you, I think you just want to be me, really, don't you? That's why you get so upset with me. Just jealous of who and what I am.
I think you're an idiot. They were just pretend screws, because you don't want to be screwing in and out. with the right screws, do you? Because you
No,
just mark the top.
I did notice
So that's what I was using.
I did notice
screws.
the awful wood screws that even I wouldn't have
just
used.
awful wood screws.
Well then, I think we've successfully done one video here.
Have we?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I think Wayne will be quite happy with that. So let's just say goodbye to Wayne.
Yes, goodbye. Well, I don't know whether does he watch these.
Not if he's got any brains, he won't. Well, that's offensive to people who watch it, but I think they know what I mean. Right then.
Well, they all think you're a knob, so it doesn't matter. Right, so now I've got to make the jig.
Hang on.
And I will be making a jig today. And then I'll be
Yeah,
stopping.
Doug.
What are you doing now? Oh, right.
You upset me.
Oh, for God's sake.
Right, Doug.
What?
Let's say goodbye, eh?
Yeah, okay.
Toodaloo.
No, boss.
Yeah, bye.
Try.
Do you lend me some money?